Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys this really cool 7x14 Harley hauler we have. This one's great for dirt bikes or anything that's not really tall because it's a little bit lower profile unit. This one's in a two-tone silver charcoal exterior with the polished aluminum strip between the two. You also have the nice big polished aluminum corners like what we put on our big dragster trailers. Rounded upper polished cap as well, and then diamond plate rock guard. Extended triple tube tongue. This is about a 4-foot tongue, which is going to give you guys a good turning radius with this extra extension here. And then you also have a generator platform here on the front. 15 amp service. So you do have right here your twist lock plug on the exterior. This one is stock number 14957. Get you guys a better shot of this side. You do have gutters over your side door and your ramp door as well. Double locks with the RV lock and cam bar there. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, beautiful aluminum wheels, and a diamond plate fender. This one's also equipped with two-way side vents. You can open and close these, as well as some nice drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it. You also have a diamond plate transition flap here at the end, which will be a nice, easy angle for you guys coming in and out with that extra transition flap there. Polished aluminum wrap around your rear door jamb. It really ties everything in nice together. It's also a great safety feature because that really illuminates at night when you have vehicles behind you. You also have two LED spotlight load lights here off the back and a 6-foot interior height with this unit. This unit is also insulated, so you have insulated walls and ceiling. And then we've done some additional things here, making it really easy for bikes. You do have this awesome performance Nudo floor with Drymax. So this black surface is super durable. It's awesome. Underneath it is Drymax, which doesn't absorb any water or moisture, and that's also on the underneath side of the trailer. So it's going to last you guys a lot longer than what your standard wood floor would. And then we also took this Nudo and wrapped it around the whole interior. And that's a bonus because if you guys are pulling anything in here with tires, as you know, if you ever hit the walls, you leave that nice big black tire mark on your wall, and that will protect your walls from your tires right there. So really nice feature. You also have E-track in each of the walls, so you've got some tie down points, and then perfect D-rings in the perfect spot. I apologize, this trailer's dirty. It's been muddy and snowy here, but wanted to show you anyway. You do have 3 D-rings here at the back, 2 in the center and 3 more up front. So again, set up perfectly to tie a couple bikes down, or even a smaller UTV, something that's not really tall. Now you do have 3 interior puck lights here as well, and then a max air roof vent. So you do have the bubble cover over this roof vent. This one's finished out in a silver aluminum, which is really nice. There's another one of those two-way side vents up here. You do have about a 5,100-pound payload capacity. There's one of that outlet right there that's with that 15 amp service. Plus you have a battery with a box and a battery charger. This is going to run these interior LED puck lights. We'll turn those on so you guys can check those out. It's also going to run those spotlights for you guys off the back for your load lights. So you no longer have to be plugged into a vehicle to have interior and exterior light with this unit. Backside of the RV lock gives you guys that lock, a latch, and a set of keys right there. And we'll get a shot from here looking out. So again, super cool trailer if you guys are hauling bikes or anything a little bit shorter. And gives you that dual purpose as well with it being insulated and stuff. 3-year factory warranty with this unit. And as always, we'd love to earn your business. Give us a call. You can reach us at 303-688-8485. We're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com. And if you don't live near us, no worries. Give us a call. We ship all over the country all the time. We'll get you guys a shipping quote as well. 303-688-8485 or always online, coloradotrailersinc.com.